Okay, so good morning everyone. Good morning, sir. I am JB Saday and I am here to discuss to you the autonomous region of Muslim Mindanao. So we have four provinces. First is the Basilan, presented by me. The Lanao del Sur, Maguindanao, presented by Sumagpao. Solo, presented by CB, and Tawi-Tawi, presented by Sugano. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so nara ang view sa Basilan. So the capital of Basilan is Isabela de Basilan. Geographic profile: the province is comprised of the main island of Basilan and 61 smaller islands. It is separated from mainland Mindanao by a strait 17 miles wide at its northwest point. Mainland Basilan has a volcanic and hilly terrain. Okay, so let's proceed to the tourist destination and location of Basilan. So first, we have Balagtasan Waterfall. Located at Balagtasan. This waterfall powers the Basilan Hydroelectric Plant. So, mo na siya ang example sa uh, ay mo na siya ang forma or picture sa Balagtasan Waterfall kanang nadira ang makita ninyo sa screen. So next we have a Calon's Park Shrine. So makita ni siya sa Lamitan. So this shrine is a tribute to Calon, a well-known Yakan leader during his time. It is a favored spot for strolling and chatting with the locals. So makita man siguro niyo dira ang park sa Calon. Next is we have uh, Malamawi Island. So makita ni siya sa Isabela bilang gihapon siya. The lighthouse on the island guides ships and ventas to the channel. The island also contains the traditional resting place of the seafaring Badjaus and Samaluans Bagingi, as well as the only lake in the province. So mao na siya ang Malamawi Island. Next is we have Menzi Agriculture Foundation, located yapon siya sa Basilan. So visitors can witness the actual process of rubber, coffee, black pepper, and African palm oil in this plantation, now owned and run by a local cooperative. So next we have Museum of Lamitan, located also at Lamitan. This serves as an information center for the development of the Municinali Lamitan. It also showcases the colorful highlights of the tradition Yal Fiestable, the Lami-Lamihan. Perfect. Okay, so I have here also the example of picture. Next is we have a Palm Beach located at Isabela. This beach, located some 5 kilometers from the town hall, is a fine plapa snorkeling, swimming, and picnicking. So next is the Plaza Rizal, located also at Isabela. The plaza, which is situated between the Capitol and the Cathedral, it is a favorite for afternoon promenades. One can find here a monument of Rizal with an or stage in front and the relief map Basilan and the surrounding islands. So mana siya ang picture. Okay, so next we have the Santa Isabela Cathedral. Makita ni siya sa Isabela town proper. So kanindot ba sa Isabela Cathedral. So mana siya ang example sa picture. So the cathedral, named after the patron saint of Isabela, is located at the heart of Isabela proper. This pit project of former Basilan Bishop Jose Maria ba na? Keresita has a modern architectural design. Ah, okay. Next, Dumagdang Beach, 4 kilometers from Isabela town proper. This swimming spot can be reached by passing through coconut plantations, small rice fields, and fish ponds. So, ano siya? Example. Okay, so next, we have the White Beach. So, dito agya po niya makita siya, makita siya sa Malamawi Island. This fine beach is good for swimming, sunbathing, and fishing. Okay, so nice siya oh. So, mana siya ang White Beach. Gana siya. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.